Hey guys, welcome to Coco's Cucina. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Today we are doing a quick sushi bite where we take our salmon, chop our salmon up. We're going to marinate it in some sesame oil, soy sauce, green chives, 7 seasonings, and white pepper. We're going to marinate that for about 15-20 minutes, guys. Use whatever seasonings you desire. I did add a little bit of garlic powder to this. And you're going to go ahead and marinate that, mix it up really nice and good. And I'm going to go ahead and place that in the fridge for about 20 minutes. After it's placed in the refrigerator, guys, next thing we're going to do is make sure our sushi rice is done. I used the seaweed wraps, guys, and just place those in a muffin dish. Add my rice, and from there you're going to go ahead and add your marinated salmon. And I topped mine, a few of my pieces, with the Philadelphia cream cheese for the smoothness. I placed it in an oven and I baked it for about 7 to 10 minutes, or until your pieces of salmon are done. And you remove it, guys, from the oven, let it cool down, place it on your dish, and voila, you have Sushi Bites. I topped mine with hot spicy mayo and avocado. And I also used a mango because I do like the little sweet taste that the mangoes give. So that's it. Thanks for watching.